begin with a lamp lighting, but here it is with a difference. हम अपनी दिमाग की बत्ती जलाएंगे यहाँ पे और हम क्या करेंगे, हम एक invocation song से शुरुआत करेंगे. So here I would like to introduce you to a singer who is also with us, also a part of the Parisar Asha family for the past 2 years. And whenever we have the Parisarasha annual event and Parisarasha events, she shared the stage and always had a beginning with a rendition of beautiful invocation prayer songs. At Parisarasha, we call her the Nightingale of Parisarasha. And all of you will definitely know why. So I welcome you all to the first virtual award ceremony of our online storytelling and poem recitation competition, Once Upon a Quarantine. And I invite Ms. Anjali Hoskote to begin with the invocation song. Over to you, Anjali.
Anjali, ha.
Thank you, Sapna. Thank you. I'll start. सूरनिरागसहो गणपति
Anjali, your mic has become it's muted. Yeah, just.
Anjali, also you could give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Can I request every one of you to, just switch off your videos and the mics? Because what happens is we are also streaming FB Live. So it will facilitate that very smoothly. So everyone except the judges and the IIM students and everyone else, can you please switch off your videos and your mics, please? Yeah, thank you so
Anjali,
much.
and be careful about your mic. Suddenly it gets muted.
Okay. Start now?
Yeah, you can be.
सूरनिरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो सूरनिरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो शुभनयना करुणा गौरी शुभनयना करुणामय गौरी श्री ओंकार गणपति ओंकार गणपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति सुरपति लीन निरंतर लीन निरंतर हो सूरनिरागस हो सूरनिरागस हो गणपति सूरनिरागस मोरया मोरया गणपति बाप्पा मोरया 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया गजवदना तू सुख करता गजवदना तू दुख हरता गजवदना मोरया 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया गजवदना तू सुख करता गजवदना तू दुख हरता गजवदना मोरया मोरया सूर निरागस हो गणपति सूर निरागस हो. Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear Anjali. That was indeed a beautiful rendition. God bless you, and we are all set to begin on an auspicious note. So, Once Upon a Quarantine. Interesting name, isn't it? So, would you like to know how we conceived this beautiful idea about Once Upon a Quarantine? Okay, let me tell you. 3 months back, when our Prime Minister Modi ji announced a lockdown, I think it was announced suddenly. We knew it was coming, but definitely we were all struggling, to get adjusted to the new normal. We were all locked down in a house, we were all quarantined and trying to figure out, how to go about it, right? So we also at Parisar Asha, we were thinking how to reach out to our students, to the teachers, to the parents, and to the society at large. And as is with Parisar Asha, there was a brainstorming session, and we decided, why not come up with something where we can reach out to every individual who is in contact with us and, to the society at large. And then during the quarantine, we came up with this beautiful concept of Once Upon a Time in Quarantine, the online storytelling and poem recitation competition. Okay, so this was something we could say a meaningful, engaging activity during lockdown to unlock the creative side in all of us. So when we thought of this, we announced the contest open. And also when we announced the contest open, we did not want to restrict this only to children. Because what happened is, okay, children, of course, they were locked down, but each and every individual was in the same situation, and especially we thought, why not reach out to our senior citizens? Because I think they were also affected most, because their morning walks, not children were not allowing them on. Us to 60, and we got an overwhelming response, which made this, competition or a contest worthwhile having it for open for everyone. So here, I would also like to thank our trustees of Parisar Asha. I would like to mention Dr. Noel D'Souza. I would like to mention Mr. Charles D'Souza, Mr. Hansel D'Souza, Mr. Siddharth Prakash Desai, and also Mr. Eugene Perez, who have been our trustees and always supported us for the past 37 strong years. Okay. For everything, opportunity over here to specially thank Mr. Siddharth Desai, who is our trustee, who is also a technocrat and an entrepreneur in the oil and gas field. And he is leading his own organization called GasPro FCZ in the UAE for the last 20 years. Now, Mr. Siddharth Desai and GasPro FCZ collaborated and co-sponsored this event with us. So many thanks, Mr. Siddharth Desai, for this beautiful, beautiful act of supporting us and encouraging us. Thank you from the bottom of our heart. Okay, and here again, because, this was a live collaborative project with a student interns of IIM Kashipur. IIM Kashipur, that is the Indian Institute of Management Kashipur. And these student interns, they helped us out a lot with their extensive efforts in, collating the works, helping us out, sort them out and stuff like that. So a lot of effort went into this. So I like to extend our thanks to the students of IIM Kashipur also. With that, I would also like to thank our eminent judges of Ms. Ritika Sani, Ms. Kavita Amarjeet, Ms. Sapna Ahuja, and Ms. Priya Tiwari Iyer, who diligently went through all the entries that we got and helped us arrive at our winners today. With that, a big thank you, which is not it's definitely the last but not the least. I would like to thank here Ms. Sridatta Gupta, who is the Senior Program Manager at Parisar Asha and whose relentless efforts make programs like this and events like this possible. So thank you, Sri, for your relentless efforts ever and, getting us through to the project each and every time we think of something. Now, I call upon Ms. Aarti Saur, the CEO of Parisar Asha, for the welcome note. So now, Ms. Aarti Saur, before I hand over to Ms. Aarti Saur, the people who have been with Parisar Asha, Aarti Saur definitely needs no introduction to them. She is a leader who has always and always inspired us, and she's one of the best leaders because she gives us our space as a space smiling and always innovating. So for the ones who are listening to Aarti for the first time, I'm going to read out her profile to you. Aarti Saur, CEO Parisar Asha. Ms. Aarti Saur is a passionate educationist, visual and performing artist, motivational speaker, life coach and counselor. She's an MSc, MA drawing and painting, diploma in interior design and decoration, NLP, CBT, therapeutic art and color practitioner. She brings with her a rich experience of 26 years in the field of education. She was an expert resource for NCERT and Art and Aesthetic Department. In the last few years, she has brought many positive changes in the organization and in the society at large. She has been honored with many national and international awards. So over to you, Aarti, for your welcome note.
Thank you so much, Sapna. And yeah, I'm really excited to be on this digital platform because we have been so much, believing in that physical connect with everyone. And for 38 years, we have been, rolling out different programs, events for our students, parents, and teachers. So this is something different. This is something new. But I think we, as a team of Parisar Asha, we have accepted this new normal very fast. And that's how we are all here. And I can see all the participants, all creative participants over here. So I thought thoda creativity kyun na ho jaye. So this is my welcome speech in thoda sa creativity. I got so inspired by all these participants that even I started writing thoda sa, So, I mean, don't laugh at my writing skills, but this is something is from my bottom of my heart. So I'm going to read out to you. बस एक बहुत ताजी सी कविता मैंने बनाई है एक आधे घंटे पहले. So कुछ ही दिन पहले की बात है, पर मानो जैसे जमाना हो गया. कोरोना के कहर से सारे दुनिया में वंस अपॉन अ क्वारंटाइन हो गया. अंदर से कोई बाहर ना जा सके, बाहर से कोई अंदर ना आ सके. सोचो कभी ऐसा हो जाए, अपने ही लोगों के साथ हम घर में ही लॉक हो जाए. पर ये तो हो चुका, तो सोचा कुछ ऐसा क्यों ना किया जाए. लॉकडाउन में थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिविटी को ही अनलॉक किया जाए. बस तो फिर क्या था, कर दिया ऑनलाइन कॉन्टेस्ट का ऐलान. स्टोरी टेलिंग एंड पोएट्री रेसिटेशन कंपटीशन के लिए परिसर आशा की टीम भी हो गई तैयार. IIM काशीपुर के स्टूडेंट्स ने भी दिया हमें साथ, और हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स की तो क्या कहे बात. ना मैं कवि थी ना मैं कथाकार, पर आपकी एंट्रीज जज करते करते मैं तो बन गई फनकार. हमारे जजेस को भी मैं कहना चाहती हूँ शुक्रिया, इतने बिजी शेड्यूल से आपने हमें वक्त जो दिया. आज मैं आप सबका ऑफिशियली स्वागत करती हूँ, पर आपको एक वादा करना होगा. अवार्ड मिले या ना मिले, पर जिंदगी में हर नई चुनौती का सामना करना होगा. कभी खुशी कभी गम, कभी जीत कभी हार. नाराज ना होना मेरे दोस्तों, जिंदगी मौके देती है बार बार. आ रहा है वक्त रिजल्ट का, आ रहा है वक्त रिजल्ट का. अब मेरी कविता में समाप्त करती हूँ. विनर्स को कांग्रेट्स और पार्टिसिपेंट्स को धन्यवाद कहती हूँ. So all the best to all our participants over here. And yeah, this is the inspiration what you gave it to me for this poetry, on the spot poetry actually. बस आधे घंटे पहले लिखी हुई है कविता, क्योंकि आपके भी थोड़े से एंट्रीज मैंने भी जज किए हुए हैं. Or yeah, now I officially welcome all of you over here on this digital platform. I think this is one of its kind, you know, like when we are announcing results online. So aap dil tham ke baithiye, and I officially welcome all the participants, trustees, our Parisar Asha team members, IIM students, and all who are watching us live on Facebook. So thank you so much. It was wonderful. But before we actually get into results, जैसे सपना मैडम ने बताया कि people who know Parisar Asha, they know our work, you know, like what it was pre-COVID and post-COVID. But I take this opportunity to introduce Parisar Asha to all of you who are aware of Parisar's work. So I would request Shri, can you please start it's a small video presentation of Parisar Asha's work, what we are exactly and what we are doing and how we are touching lives of so many millions of people. Over to you, Shri.
Natural qualities. We have all experienced these qualities when we were young. But as we grow up, we forget our natural qualities. Rather, we are forced to forget. Can we dream of a learning system where our natural qualities are encouraged for future sustainability of the individual and also our planet? Parisar Asha is Gloria's dream to change the education system to provide joyful learning for a sustainable future through the environment for the environment. Gloria D'Souza, a school teacher, created revolution in the history of Indian education with her not-for-profit registered trust, Parisar Asha. Gloria was the first Ashoka Fellow and has been awarded with international recognition as a social entrepreneur.
My sister Gloria, who was the founder, who went through many difficulties in setting up the roots of this place. She had difficulties, but they never deterred her from moving onward. She had a sustained determination to change things.
Today, Parisar Asha is spearheaded by Ms. Aarti Savoor with a team of professionals from various national and international backgrounds. Parisar Asha is supporting public and private schools to provide affordable, joyful education at par with global standards.
Government says right to education. We believe at Parisar Asha right to right education. To support our educational institutions to provide quality education and also creative education, Parisar Asha has various unique programs. One of the signature program is Ecotech World School program, because what we believe that today the need is to be eco. Eco is not only your environment, but it can be also your economy, and tech is a technique to live life.
Ecotech World School program is a wholesome program to empower schools to address the challenges of 21st century educational needs while maintaining the fundamentals and identity of the school intact through its unique pedagogy of ESOL, Environmental Studies approach towards learning. This comprehensive program provides global curriculum suitable for State Board and CBSE syllabus for nursery to Standard 7, detailed lesson plan guidelines, digital and traditional teaching aids, virtual classrooms, worksheets and workbooks, assessment and evaluations, teachers training to develop academic skills as well as soft skills, and parents orientation. In a nutshell, a complete support system to create tomorrow's successful, positive, global citizens. Parisar Asha continuously conducts innovative workshops for educators to keep them abreast with the latest kinds of educational techniques.
was able to use modern methods of the teaching and learning experience, and that too without much of an expenditure, which I find a very great asset, since our schools are catering to the middle class and the lower middle class. This is the wonderful aspect of Parisar Asha.
Children will come to school with a very light school bag. They would just have a tiffin box, a water bottle and their school calendar and come to school. It's so ironical that state government has woken up to this now, but this has happened with Parisar Asha, with Agnels since 1989, so it's a long time, almost 26-27 years. The lesson plans that we made the first year was not repeated the next year. It was changed every year. It is not teaching any longer. A teacher had to be only a facilitator.
Our school believes that the school is an extension of every home. So by following Parisar Asha's approach, we are actually actualizing the school's mission. So we find that the teaching and learning not only happens in an interesting manner in school, but it also happens at home, because parents also pick up these methods of teaching in order to work with their children at home. So it is spreading, and the child really becomes the center of adult collaboration, which is how Gloria described Parisar Asha's work. She said, always the child is the most important person. All of us are collaborating. So many times in schools you find that parents and teachers work as two teams, opposite teams. But this method helps parents and teachers to work as one team, because we become partners in bringing up the child.
Environment, school, teacher, and parent. These are very important factors in the child's learning process. To complete this chain and to address parental issues, Parisar Asha has launched a free helpline number for parents.
It gives me great pleasure to be here at this global symposium on soul and education organized by Parisar Asha, which is taking government's initiative of right to education a step further by promoting right to right education. I'm glad to see that educators from various places are coming together to discuss learning techniques which will take both students and teachers to the next level in learning and educating.
It's really an honor to be invited for this lovely creative summit that has been organized by Parisar Asha, who through their activity-based experiential learning pedagogy, through their various professional upgradation skills for the teachers, who through their various positive helpline for the parents, who through their concept of providing mentors for the schools have succeeded in placing the child right at the center of education.
समस्येचा विचार करून त्यावर उपाययोजना करणं आणि ती जी उपाययोजना आपण करू त्यातून सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोनातून काहीतरी निर्णय किंवा निर्णयापर्यंत पोहोचणं अशा दृष्टिकोनातून परिसर आशा या संस्थेच्या माध्यमातून समाजामधल्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या किशोरवयीन अवस्थेतील मुलांच्या समस्यांचा विचार करून या ठिकाणी त्यांच्या मदतीसाठी आणि पालकांच्या मदतीसाठी हेल्पलाइन सुरू करण्यात आलेली आहे.
ये जो काम कर रहे हैं, द वे आई हैव सीन परिसर आशा ग्रो ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स, जब से मैं जुड़ी हूँ, आई फाइंड दैट्स वेरी इनकरेजिंग.
अगर आर्ट को यूज़ किया जाए as a form of education. So definitely it stays for a longer time with children. It will remain forever in their minds, and I think that is what Parisar Asha is doing, and it's such a beautiful thing that they are doing. I wish them all the very best in future, because this kind of work is very rare, and I hope it just goes all over the world.
I'm so happy to see this kind of development in India. It's not only in Maharashtra. I think now, as the organizer was saying, that Parisar Asha has reached to so many other states. They are also planning international.
I know that how many parents spend so much of time, effort, energy, and most of it money on international education, where Parisar Asha is locally providing all the elements of those international education in their own curriculum.
हर बच्चा स्टार बनने वाला है इंडिया का। उस तरह से जो परिसर आशा रास्ता दिखा रहा है, मेरे ख्याल से हर बच्चा आपसे प्यार करने लगा, ना कि डरेगा।
आपके जैसे लोग और पार्टिसिपेट करें, एजुकेशन सिस्टम को थोड़ा सुधारें, थोड़ा क्रिएटिव ही बनाएं, जैसी आपकी थिंकिंग है, तो मैं बड़ी खुश हो जाऊंगी, क्योंकि आई एम अ पेरेंट टुडे।
Because everything is totally on this बड़ी बढ़ाट करो। और मैं तो कई बार बोलता हूँ कि ये अपनी एग्जाम पैटर्न जो अभी है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की, ये हम बाहर करने पर है, और इन वे वो 3 पीरियड्स के हिसाब से वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग चतुर नोट्स। लेकिन आई वांट टू प्रोड्यूस रांचोस।
Parisar Asha believes that school education must present our children with a gift that offers a creative beginning, the wonder of exploratory learning, the confidence in discovering one's strengths, the hope for a better future, overall, a way of life that is worth living.
Thank you, Parisar Asha.
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 We need each other to change the world. In fact, to rediscover. Let's come together to provide a joyful learning experience to our students for a better and happy tomorrow.
We need each other.
Yeah,
so to you, Aarti.
Yes, so that was our journey of Parisar Asha, and of course, after post this COVID, it's a different journey, because I feel that when you have challenges in life, you get double energy, like to face the challenges, and you come up with different innovative solutions. So we are not worried about problems, but yeah, we are thinking of solutions. So this is one of the platform where we actually thought, it can be a good platform where when people are under a lot of stress, under a lot of trauma, so it's a way of engaging themselves meaningfully, kuch creative ho jaye. So now I was actually waiting for our trustee and our co-sponsor of this entire event and the entire this Once Upon a Quarantine competition, but unfortunately he's not able to log in. Okay, he's logged in. So now I request our trustee Siddharth Desai sir, and also because of his generosity, we could actually made together and presented to you this entire thing, the entire journey of actually announcing the contest, as well as our prizes, our everything will be taken care of because of his generous support. So over to you, Siddharth sir. So are you there, Siddharth sir? If you are there, you can just unmute your unmute your mic and video. You can switch on the video.
Yeah, I've already started my video.
Yes.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi everybody. Hi. So nice to see you all, and it's a great honor to be the trustee of Parisar Asha. We have seen this particular institute doing very great work all along, and such innovative things. I mean, I'm watching a lot of innovative things being taken up by the team, and the entire team is very energetic, very creative team. So this particular, whatever program undertaken is highly appreciated. And I really congratulate all the winners and all the participants who have actively participated this particular concept. I thank you a lot, and I just hand over this to Aarti again, and you can continue with your ceremony. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Now over to you, Sapna. I think we will not keep our participants waiting, and now we have our judges also. They will also share their piece of advice to all the participants and also IIM students. Yeah, another opportunity for, I would like to say a big thank you to all my IIM students. Because of them, we could actually reach out to so many. Yes, over to you, Sapna.
Yeah, thank you, Aarti. So yes, as Aarti mentioned, a real big thank you and gratitude to the IIM students, because they worked relentlessly to help us put this entire contest together. So I would like to mention their names, the students who worked with us: Mr. Shubham Kumar Soni, Pramukh SS, Ashi Kant, and Rakesh T. Okay, so these are the students who have been with us along the way when we announced this contest and till today. Okay, and so I would now request the student representative of IIM Kashipur to just share their experience with our viewers. Yeah, so can we have the student representative, please?
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your warm. I am Shubham Kumar Soni. So
your video is not seen. Yeah,
Shubham, you can put your video on.
Okay. Can you see, ma'am?
Network connectivity because he's not in Mumbai. I mean, where are you right now, Shubham?
Ma'am, I'm in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh right now.
You are in Bhopal. Okay, okay. So you're joining from Bhopal. So it's okay. I think you can just express your feelings. That's it. I mean, we are not able to see you, but doesn't matter. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much once again. So good evening to all of you. And I wish you all are safe at home and taking all necessary precautions to fight against coronavirus. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Shubham Kumar Soni, and other team members are Pramukh, Ashi, and Rakesh. On behalf of my team, and I would like to share my team experience while working with Parisar Asha. So we are a team of 4 students from IIM Kashipur, and IIM Kashipur and Parisar Asha have collaborated on a live project where we 4 students got selected and given an opportunity to work on this social project with Parisar Asha, and definitely under the guidance of and mentorship of Aarti ma'am. She is very enthusiastic, and she has given all those guidance and learning throughout this project. So thank you so much, ma'am, once again. And being part of this social live project in collaboration with Parisar Asha and IIM Kashipur, we came up this amazing competition once upon a quarantine. So where we invited all the age groups to show their art, creativity, and skills in the storytelling and poetry recitations. And I would say being part of an organizing team and our students and all the Parisar Asha team, and I will say while looking at your submissions, overwhelming submissions and videos, I think we all got surprised, especially we as a students and a young generation all got surprised to see that such an amazing talent present in our country. Like you see the 5-year-old kid from to our 60 plus respected elders presenting their videos so enthusiastically in such a cute, honest and emotional manner, which has given us an important lesson in the life, like how these small activities and hobbies make a big change in our life and brings a lot of happiness and joy. So this was really an amazing experience while organizing this event and working with the organizing team and collaborating with the different stakeholders in the competition. So definitely it was a good experience, and we are looking forward more such activities and experiences. So therefore, to summarize, I would say definitely we have learned unique and significant lesson. As I mentioned, small activities and hobby makes a big change. So once again, I thank ma'am and Shri ma'am and Aarti ma'am. So I would not take much time. I think everybody is waiting for the results. So I think thank you so much once again to everyone and all the participants. Stay safe. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shubham, for your words and experiences about the contest. And as you rightly said, there were so many entries, and I'm sure they must have been difficult to judge for the judges too, and also very inspiring, because I think everyone was mute, so we could not compliment you, Aarti, but that was a wonderful poem that you came up with. So yes, the entries have been inspirational, and I think the next time we announce a contest, there's going to be many, many, many more entries to come. So kudos to that. Okay, now that brings us to one more very crucial part of a contest, which are the judges. So yes, the entries were beautiful, but they need to be judged because any contest needs winners, right? So it was an honor to have, wonderful judges panel with us, people working in the industry relentlessly and, giving their contribution to society. So the first judge who I would like to introduce to all of you today is Miss Ritika Sani. I will just read her profile to you because it's a very wonderful profile. She is a playback singer and she is the founder of Trinayani. So Miss Ritika has an interesting dual career, dividing her time between playback singing, live stage shows, and spearheading advocacy initiatives for Trinayani, the NGO for disability awareness that she founded, where she was also works as a trainer and a consultant in disability inclusion. She's the first Indian female artist of Sony Music in India, with a host of solo albums to her credit in both Hindi and Bengali. Notable among her many hits is Tumse Mili Nazar from the film Main Madhuri Dixit Banna Chahti Hoon. She also performs regularly with her inclusive music band, Pehli Barish, comprising disabled and non-disabled artists. That's a very generous work that you're doing, Ritika ma'am, and over to you for a few words.
Thank you so much. And can I be heard clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I'm not using the earphones. All age groups, as you said. It is always, there's so much to learn from each one of us. And I think the brighter side, and there is always a brighter side to everything, and the brighter side of this quarantine is that it has definitely got some amazing people together. Every time you are on a webinar or on a call with people, you are face to face with so many different people and so many different opinions and experiences that they share. Thank you, Aarti, for asking me to be part of this. Because ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कविता नहीं लिखती, कविता तो मैं भी लिखती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे मालूम होता तो निकाल के रखती और आपको भी सुनाती. लेकिन मजा आ गया ये देखकर, जैसे हमारे आयन काशीपुर स्टूडेंट ने कहा, हुनर एज नहीं देखता, इसलिए आप 5 साल के हों या 60 साल के हों, और हर इंसान कुछ ना कुछ कहना चाहता है. और ऐसा कुछ कईयों को ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, लिखने के लिए you have to, नहीं, अगर if you can only be yourself, you are able to do the trick. The trick is to be yourself, to be able to face yourself and to be able to be true to yourself. और वहाँ हमें प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है बिकॉज हम बहुत सारे मास्क पहन के रखते हैं. अभी जो कोविड ने हमें मास्क दिया है वो तो एक अलग चीज है, लेकिन हम वैसे भी बहुत सारे मास्क पहनते हैं. तो जब आप उन मास्क को उतारते हैं तब आपकी जो the real you comes out, and it then helps you in creativity. So thank you so much. I'm looking forward to announcing the winners from the sets that I was given. And once again, heartiest congratulations to Parishar Asha, because I have been looking into just not this. You've been having regularly, you've been having some wonderful programs, and you have adapted to the change so well, and I hope everybody on board here will learn to adapt according to the circumstances. जैसे मैं कहती हूँ हमेशा, my favorite line is सदा मगन में रहना जी, आए पड़े सो सहना जी. So that's how I like to live my life. Thank you, Sapna.
Thank you so much, Ritika ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. I mean, how can we let her go like that? Ritika ma'am, you will have to sing few थोड़ी, मतलब वो तो बनता है ना.
अच्छा, तो मैं काम करती हूँ, फिर मैं ये जरा हेडफोन अभी आपने बात
yeah, yes.
Okay.
Can you hear me
She's a
better
brilliant
now?
singer and I mean amazing person. So I would like to take this opportunity, you know, so that जो हमारे audience है, जो हमारे participants है, they can also get that feel of it, you know.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me better?
Yes.
All right. तो अभी आपने जिस फिल्म की बात की, उस फिल्म की ही कुछ लाइनें सुना देती हूँ आपको. आरती, वो जो गाना आपने सुना है वो कभी और सही, बट क्योंकि एक डाइवर्स ऑडियंस है और हमारे यहाँ फिल्म कुछ चले या ना चले, फिल्में तो बहुत चलती हैं. तो मैं माधुरी दीक्षित का जो गाना था वो मैंने सोनू निगम जी के साथ गाया था, उसके कुछ लाइनें आपको सुना देती हूँ. तुमसे मिली नजर तो असर हुआ है आज यूं दिल पे, तुमसे मिली नजर तो असर हुआ है आज यूं दिल पे, चैन भी गया होश भी गया, ना जाने क्या होगा कल से. चाहे मैं तेरे दिल की रानी हूँ, मैं तेरी प्रेम कहानी हूँ. ये क्या हो गया, कैसे खो गया, पूछो आज कोई दिल से. ये क्या हो गया, कैसे खो गया, पूछो आज कोई दिल से. चैन भी गया, होश भी गया, न जाने क्या होगा कल से. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Ritika. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ritika ma'am. That was really a feet tapping number, and yes, refreshed my memory. Wonderful song. Congratulations to that. I know it's one of your hit songs. So yes, thank you once again. And even, you know, what you just said to our audience, that be honest to yourself is what appealed to me the best. And also, if you just follow your passion, I'm sure you're going to be the best at whatever you do. So yes, children on this group, and in fact, all of us have taken a cue from there, being true to yourself. Okay, so thank you once again, ma'am. With that, we come to who is Miss Kavita Amarjeet. Miss Kavita Amarjeet is an actor and a theatre professional. She's a versatile actor and has been conducting theatre workshops all over Mumbai for the last 15 years. With her extensive work portfolio, and she's just growing, and we are blessed to have her with us today. So over to you, Kavita ma'am. Over to you, Kavita ma'am, for a few words.
Thank you so much, Sapna, for your introduction. And I would like to really thank Parishar Asha for having me as a judge. And I would also like to thank all the Bachcha Party who participated. and it was really fun, and I was really amazed to see their performances. Yes, this is 21st century, and बच्चे ऐसे ही होने चाहिए जो बहुत हुनरबाज हों. So बहुत ही बढ़िया. I just had a very beautiful time judging these participants. और यही कहना चाहूंगी कि the quality or whatever talent the child has, it is always inbuilt. You can always teach a skill to your child, but the talent what the child has is always inbuilt, and you have to just recognize the talent. मुझे लगता है कि to enhance that talent is only what we can do, because even parents, as teachers, we are all facilitators. So what else can I say? It was really fun. Keep doing the good work, and Parisar Asha, keep organizing such competitions. It's not about who's best and who's not good. It's about exploring yourself from within. Thank you so much. I would not take much of your time.
Thank you so much, Kavita ma'am. Yes, you definitely said it right, that talent is inbuilt, within every one of us. It's just a question of exploring it ourselves, right? And also I would like to say, shed all your inhibitions. Don't think what is right, what is wrong. Just do it from your heart, and definitely whatever you create is definitely going to be a masterpiece. Isn't it? I'm sure all of you on this call agree with that. Okay, so thank you once again, Kavita ma'am. And that brings us to our next judge, who is Miss Sapna Ahuja. So Miss Sapna Ahuja, again, the people who are with Parisar Asha needs no introduction to them. But for the benefit of the rest of you, I will just read out her profile. I'm going to tell you that Miss Sapna Ahuja, she's the head Department of Theatre, Teachers Training and at Parisar Asha. Miss Sapna Ahuja is an applied theatre practitioner. She is trained from Sri Ram Center of Performing Art and Culture, Delhi, and Masters in Applied Theatre from Foundation for Liberal and Management Education, FLAME, Pune, on fellowship. She has done her B.Ed from Allahabad University. She was employed as an artist teacher for 5 years at National School of Drama, NSD, in their wing called Theatre in Education, Company, Delhi. There she worked with eminent theatre practitioners as a performer and facilitator. She has been conducting and facilitating children workshops and plays since 2006. She has been awarded with a scholarship in the field of theatre from Government of India, Ministry of Culture. So over to you, Sapna, for a few words and your journey with Parisar Asha also, and your experience with the contest. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sapna, for your kind words. And my journey with Parisar Asha, definitely a roller coaster ride and a wonderful experience. Like, I think all the days I have been on the roads, in the schools, in the colleges, institutes, and working with a variety of target groups, be it teachers, principals, students of variety of age groups so far. So yes, I'm very excited about this competition, and I would like to congratulate all the participants for sharing their imagination and creativity with us. Yes, this corona period has restricted our physical movement, but participants' enthusiasm has shown us that mental movement is on. So, with mental movement, they have shared with us their feelings and expressions through the art of storytelling and poem. And क्रिएटिविटी की बात बहुत बार हो रही है, हमारे सभी जजेस ने भी बोला है, आरती मैम ने भी बात की क्रिएटिव होने की, तो मुझे सभी पार्टिसिपेंट से ये जरूर कहना है कि शायद उन्होंने कभी ना कभी ये बात सुनी होगी कि ओके, थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. सो आई बिलीव दिस थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स लाइन इज अ मिथ, क्योंकि ये बॉक्स हमने खुद अपने दिमाग में क्रिएट किया है. हमको किसी ने ये दिया नहीं हुआ कि अच्छा ठीक है ये डब्बा लेकर के चलो. So the point is anybody can be creative, और अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को निखारने के लिए, क्योंकि ये एक प्रोसेस है, उसको निखारने के लिए आप सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स का हमारे स्पीच एंड ड्रामा, क्लब में स्वागत है, जो परिसर आशा का एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन इनिशिएटिव रहा है इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में, जिसमें वैरायटी ऑफ एज ग्रुप्स आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग. आई एम ऑलरेडी कंडक्टिंग 2 क्लब्स विद डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स और बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है कैसे छोटे बच्चे और बड़े बच्चे अपने सभी तरह के ब्लॉक्स, इट्स जस्ट नॉट अबाउट क्रिएटिविटी ब्लॉक, सभी तरह के ब्लॉक्स को हटाकर बहुत खुले तौर पर शामिल हो रहे हैं. सो आप सभी का स्वागत है उसमें, ताकि हमारी ये जर्नी सिर्फ कंपटीशन तक ही सीमित ना रहे, हम आगे लगातार कुछ ना कुछ अभिव्यक्त करते रहें, एक्सप्रेस करते रहें, क्रिएट करते रहें. आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Yes, thank you, Sapna. Thank you so much. And all the children on this call over here, did you hear Sapna ma'am talking about an art, about a club, a theatre club? So you can explore the theatre club. You can go to the Parisar Asha page and check it out. And it's a wonderful initiative by Parisar Asha to, let out your creativity. I know all of you here are very creative, but that will enhance it. So do check out the page. Okay? So thank you, Sapna. And that brings us to our next judge today, who is Miss Priya Tiwari Iyer. Priya Tiwari again. Parisar Asha people don't need introduction, right? They all know Priya Tiwari because our trainers, they go out to various schools and, they are doing these mentorship programs and trainings. So everyone is familiar with them. But yet for the benefit of the others, I'm again going to read out Priya Tiwari's profile. Ms. Priya Tiwari Iyer is a pre-primary mentor and training expert with Parisar Asha. Ms. Priya commenced her career as a preschool teacher in an eminent international school. She actively served on a variety of school committees and focused on curriculum development. Her career graph is speckled with many corporate names such as Birla EduTech, HCL, Tata Interactive Systems. She worked as a subject matter expert to define appropriate, interactive, and engaging preschool multimedia learning solutions to optimize learning experiences. Currently, she is heading the pre-primary department of Parisar Asha. Her job entails designing, developing, and implementing dynamic curriculum for creative, fun, and energetic learning environment that is student-centric. She also helps in planning, coordinating with the schools, and training the mentors and the teachers. So over to you, Priya Tiwari Iyer.
Thank you very much, Sapna. Well, I had the honor and privilege of judging the most innocent age group, the kindergartners. In my opinion, all participants are winners. But given the challenging role, I had to choose a few. I appreciate the passion parents show and in guiding their children to participate. Please do not be disheartened if your child is not the winner today. Your child taking part in this competition should make you proud enough. All the very best to our young participants for their illuminating future. Thank you, Sapna.
Yes, so thank you, Priya. Thank you very much. And yes, you have taken the words from my mouth. As she rightly said, it's a very difficult part for the judges to choose the winners because for us, everyone is, right? I'm sure all the judges and everyone on this call agrees. So yes, that brings us to the most awaited part of today's award ceremony, which is announcement of the results. So excited everyone, just give me a thumbs up so that I can see whoever's videos are on. Okay, cool. So we are all set to begin and get to know who the winners are going to be.
Can I just interrupt? Yeah, Sapna?
Sure, Aarti, sure.
Yeah, so we are going to declare only the names because, we could not upload everything on this platform, everyone's entries, because those are like 3 minutes, 2 minutes entries. So we have so many different categories. So we are going to actually put everything on our social media page, who are the winners. Okay, so you can check out your winners' entries post our event. It will take certain time to upload all the entries. Yeah. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. So 1 minute, I'm giving the other one. Okay, so over to you, Shri, for the results. We will be showing a PPT show where the names of the winners are going to be announced. So all the best to everyone.
Yeah, and now I think few of us can unmute our mics because we would like to clap aloud, you know.
Yes, definitely. Yes, so we are going to begin today's ceremony, award ceremony for Once Upon a Quarantine online storytelling and poem recitation competition. So this was in collaboration with Indian Institute of Management Kashipur, which was a live project collaboration. And also thank you to our co-sponsors, Gas Pro FZC. Thank you, Mr. Siddharth Desai, sir. We come to the first age group, which is the year 3 to 5 years. So the third prize in this age group goes to Avika Singh. Congratulations, Avika. Keep up the good work. Yeah, a loud round of applause for her. The second prize in the group 3 to 5 years goes to Mesha Gupta. The second prize winner, Mesha Gupta. Congratulations, Mesha. If you're there on the call, congratulations and keep doing your good work. A round of applause for Mesha, please. Okay, and the first prize in the age group 3 to 5 years goes to Pehel Mehta. So congratulations, Pehel. And awesome artwork, awesome entry. Keep doing good work there. And a round of applause for Pehel.
Please, yes. Everyone, you can unmute your mics and clap aloud.
Yes. Okay, and as Aarti ma'am said, we will be definitely uploading this in some time. But since it's a virtual event and we have our limitations, so we are just announcing the names today. Okay, so we move on to the next category, which is the 6 to 8 years age group. And the third prize in this category goes to Anaya Inamdar. Congratulations, Anaya. Congratulations and keep up the good work, dear. Keep up the good work. A round of applause. The second prize in this age group goes to Yash Satish. Yash, I hope you're there in the call. Congratulations. Congratulations and a round of applause. Keep up the good work. Yes. I can see there is Yash over here. Congratulations, Yash.
Yash is there?
Awesome.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Yash. Keep up the good work. Okay. And the first prize in this category goes to Ruchi Atul Ranade. Is Ruchi on the call? Congratulations, Ruchi. God bless you and keep up the good work. Round of applause for Ruchi. Okay, so that brings us to the next category, which is the 9 to 15 years. 9 to 15 years age group. Now this age group, I myself was one, 9 to 15 years definitely. But I would like to say over here, each group had their own challenges and their own viewpoints about, expressing the things. So everyone is a winner, definitely. So 9 to 15 years, we will have the third winner, please. Third prize goes to Neil D'Souza. Congratulations, Neil. Awesome, awesome. Keep up the good work. The second prize goes to Dhruti Ashutar Javeri. Is Dhruti here? Is Dhruti on the call? Please, you're on the call. Congratulations. Keep up the good work there. And the first prize in the category 9 to 15 years goes to Shriya Mahulkar. Congratulations if you're there on the call. Congratulations and keep up the good work. Can we move on to the next category, please? Which
you made it today, baked it today?
21 years.
Yeah, you baked it? Acha, very nice, excellent.
Can I just request everyone to go on mute?
It's
Or
from
if you're not,
outside
if you're
only.
unmuted for the clap, please.
Your baking is superb.
Hello, I can still hear
Opened
somebody
one
talking.
bakery.
Shri, can you mute?
Yes, she's
Okay, fine. So we move on to the third prize in this age group of 16 to 21 years. The third prize goes to Bhavana Pujari. Congratulations, Bhavana. Congratulations. And the second prize in this category goes to Rufa Ejaz Naik. Rufa, are you there? Congratulations. God bless. Keep up the good work. And the first prize in this category goes to Afreen Ali. Is Afreen on the call? Yes, I can see Afreen on the call. Afreen, can you just unmute and put your video on? Super.
Oh, congratulations.
Afreen.
Congratulations.
Keep up the good work. Congratulations once again. Good to have you here today. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we move on to the next category, which is the 22 years to 59 years. Now, as I said, we had a great response from this age group too. As you know, everyone was locked down and they were really happy. You know, some of them wrote to us and we got messages saying that thank you for doing something for us, because it's usually for the younger age group that all the competitions are be running. So age group 22 to 59 years, the third prize in this group goes to Shreya Pandey. Is Shreya on the call? Congratulations, Shreya. Keep up the good work. Congratulations. The second prize in this category goes to Purva Mehta. The second prize goes to Purva Mehta. Is Purva there? Okay, congratulations, Purva. A round of applause for Purva too. Okay, and the first prize in this category goes to Sumana Bhattacharya. Sumana, are you there? Sumana?
In 22nd and 59 category.
22nd to 59 years, first prize goes to Sumana. Congratulations, Sumana, and keep up the good work. Okay, so we move on to the next. Now, this is the age group 59 years onwards. And again, a fantastic response, and we have our three winners with us today. The first prize in this group goes to Sunanda Das Biswas. Is Miss Sunanda here on the call? Congratulations, Sunanda, and keep up the good work. A round of applause for Sunanda. The second prize in this category goes to Srimati Katre. Srimati Katre, are you there on the call? Congratulations and great going. Keep up the good work. Okay, so we move on to the next prize, which is the first prize in the category 59 years onwards. And the prize goes to Mr. Ramesh Shah. Mr. Ramesh, are you there on the call? Okay, congratulations. And yes, keep up the good work. Okay, so we move on to the next category, which is especially abled. So we have a winner in this category too. And the winner is Ashutosh Shashikant Raute. Ashutosh, Mr. Ashutosh, congratulations, our heartiest congratulations to you, and keep inspiring us and keep doing the good work. Thank you, Ashutosh. So the next category over here is the popular social media. How can we miss that? We can't, right? Because nowadays social media platforms are extensively used for all kind of activities, be it promotion, be it showcasing your work, be it interacting with each other. So we definitely have a category here, which is the popular social media, wherein we selected a winner depending upon the number of comments that you got on it. So the winner in this category is, Sujata Mukherjee Ghatak. Sujata, Miss Sujata, are you there on the call? Congratulations to you with a great number of 194 comments. So awesome work. Keep inspiring us. Yes,
yeah, I think Sujata is here. I could see her message. So
Okay.
maybe, she can just switch on her video.
Okay, is Sujata, Miss Sujata here? If you are there, please switch on your video so we can all see you. Okay, there she is, Sujata. Your video is on. Could you show us your
Thank
face,
you.
please? We can't see your face, please. Just come near the camera. Just tilt the camera towards yourself. We can see you then. Yes, congratulations, Sujata. And keep up the good work. And 194 comments, amazing. Yeah, so that brings us to the end of all. Yes, Sujata. Yeah, so that brings us to the end of the award ceremony, and congratulations to all our winners, and thank you to all the participants who made this contest such a success. Okay, so yes, in the future too, we will be having some more beautiful contests and beautiful initiatives. So do keep liking us on Parisar Asha page. Keep following us, and it's a pleasure to have all of you with us today. So with that, I hand it over to Aarti for the word of thanks. Over to you, Aarti.
Yeah, so I would really like to thank first to you, Sapna. It was really, really wonderful the way you anchored the entire show. I think you should have been a radio jockey, actually.
Thank you, Aarti. Thank you, Aarti.
I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed to have my super talented team, Parisar Asha's team, and I'm sure everybody will agree to that. So yeah, thank you so much, Sapna. Thanks to you, Sri Datta, who's always behind the main stage, and now she's behind the screen. Initially, she used to be behind the stage. Now she is behind the screen. So yeah, thank you so much, Shri. Thanks to entire team of Parisar Asha. Thanks to all the participants. Congratulations to all the winners who have missed it. They can always see on the live, like Facebook. We will be actually, hosting that also on YouTube. So you can share with all your friends and family. Thanks to our trustees, thanks to IIM, Kashipur, all the students, and I hope I am not missing out on anyone, all the participants. So keep on watching Parisar Asha Space on our social media to know more about, upcoming programs, events, because this is the time when we actually have to engage ourselves into meaningful activities that will not only enhance our creativity, but that can also spread the joy and happiness to others. So thank you so much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, and stay creative. Thanks a lot.
Can I add something, Aarti?
Yeah, sure.
I think it is Sujata Ghatak's birthday today. And she has won the prize.
Yes.
So can we all just say a happy birthday
to
her?
Yes, sure. We all can sing together happy birthday. So everyone, whoever is there, yeah, she was super excited. She has been, exchanging messages on social media platform. Ki, ma'am, it's my birthday and it's the result day. So congratulations, Sujata. Your birthday is quite lucky for you. So we are going to sing a happy birthday song to you. Chalo, 1, 2, 3. I know there is going to be lag, but then fine. That's the technology problem.
Yeah, we'll begin.
Yeah.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sujata.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Sujata, may God bless you with many, many more awards and rewards. Okay?
Thank
so
you.
Our best wishes always with you. And Aarti, does that bring us to the end of today's ceremony?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you
so much. I hope I have not missed out on anyone, right, of my Thanksgiving?
I will once again say my thank you from Aarti, definitely, and a thanks from me for being patient, because yes, this is a virtual awards, so there were a few glitches, there may have been some lag, so we apologize from our end, and hoping that in the near future we come face to face and have awards like
this. 1 minute, I'll just say, because there is a question. So all the participants who have received the awards and who have not received the awards, but you will be getting your participation certificate soon on your emails. So if your email IDs are not there registered with us, kindly immediately get connected with Parisar Asha team, and you can register your email ID so that we can send you these soft copies of our certificates. Okay, and for all the winners, we will be sending you certificates immediately, but for the awards, you will have to wait till the time, like we settle down, because still not all the shops are open. So there are little restrictions. So when the situation gets under control, you will receive your awards.
Thank you,
ma'am. So I guess that answers the questions of all the participants.
Any more questions, queries?
Anyone wants to know anything? Okay, fine. So I assume that everyone will be getting the participating certificate soon. And with that we take your leave till next time.
And tomorrow we are going to have another online event, which is for our art contest. So it is going to be the result day in the similar format. You will be meeting our judges, and we hope to see you soon. I mean, you can also log in. You can also view this entire contest for tomorrow on your Facebook Live page.
Okay. So yes. Thank you once again.
So, and congratulations and good night to all of you.
Good night and God bless.